How to fix CSGO stuttering issue on Windows. 1. Install the latest patch. 2. Enable the Steam overlay. 3. Update graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Adjust game settings. 4.11. Disable full screen optimizations in xgo.exe. Properties. Like this. 4.2. Set the graphics settings in your game to low. Set the following settings to low: global shadow quality, model/texture detail, effect detail, shader detail. 5. Adjust settings in your computer. 5.1. Set high performance in power options. 5.2. Enable desk. Performance in advanced system settings. 5.3. Disable CPU. Core 0 for CSGO.exe. Like this. 6. Restrict background applications and downloads via WTM.